Guess what time it is? It's lunchtime. Time for you to eat. Time for you to be a big person and eat lunch, okay? So, today, I have a banana. Ah! I know you're excited, but you need to put on your bib. Here, there's your bib. Okay, put it on. Good boy. Here's your banana. Okay, here you go. No. That's not how you eat a banana, okay? You need to remember what I told you about eating a banana. Do you know how to do that? Why don't you show me right now, okay? Marcus! No. That's not... Let me show you, okay? You're gonna put this, and you're gonna take this, and you're gonna squeeze the tip, okay? And then you're gonna peel it. Do you know what I mean? Okay, why don't you try that? Good. No. You need to peel all of them, Marcus. All of them before you eat it. Give it to me. Okay, so you're gonna peel it all like this. Okay, here you go. Marcus, are you going to actually eat the banana? Okay. Why don't you eat the banana how I eat bananas? Marcus, you know that's not how I eat bananas. Okay, why don't you take your first bite? Take a bite. Okay. Good boy. Okay. Marcus, what are you doing putting that in your mouth?
I want to put it in...
You're supposed to eat it.
I want to put it in my butt later. It's going in my
Marcus,
butt.
what did Mommy tell you about putting bananas in your butt?
Put it in my tushy and it gets all squishy.
Yes. So, do you really want to save that for later?
I want something squishy in my butt. Yeah.
Okay. Well, you're gonna have to go without lunch. Marcus, why don't you eat my apple, okay? Marcus, what do you want to do with that?
I want to put it in my butt.
What does Mommy say about putting an apple in your butt?
Only a fool puts an apple in their hole.
Yeah, that's what she says, okay? So, do you really want to be a fool? Or do you want to be not a fool?
I don't know.
Have some pop.
I don't know.
Have some soda, because you're gonna need it for later. Marcus.
I have something to tell you.